I don't know.
Now I'm recording.
Now you do.
This ain't going on nothing now. I'm just looking at the, say something.
Something.
A lot of the exact same things that they give us.
Why you do it like that?
Came by and as he was going in there.
You move him off the screen to let him keep talking, but then you show like a still picture of him like this.
You gotta get Dave Chappelle out there. Like,
Tyrone.
You got me crying.
Why you leaving, man? Why you leaving?
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, shit.
Oh, man. Oh.
Bro, you remember that episode where he got food poisoned after doing it?
You talking about Chappelle show?
Yeah.
Boy, no, I didn't even know your generation.
Bro.
See Chappelle.
I've never seen that episode.
But he legit went and lifted up a truck afterwards.
Red Balls! It gives me wings!
Mayday, mayday, we have a crackhead lifting up the bus. Must be Red Ball.
I love this drink! Thank you, Red Balls!
They called him Crack Man.
You know, I don't.
Which one?
All of them.
All of them.
Not all of them, but I have seen Rockies.
Which one did you stop at?
Which Rockies have you seen?
These new ones.
Oh, no, we're not counting Creed.
Yeah, we mean Rocky.
Yeah, I seen Rocky there.
Oh, yeah.
See
you
Rocky?
did,
Yeah.
All Rocky. Have you seen the two Creeds too?
I saw Creed 1 and 2, yeah.
Have you seen Balboa?
I have not seen that one.
Movies.
Rocco, nobody's giving you no title shot.
You're not missing nothing, Don. You're not missing nothing. I promise you, you're not.
I was here when he was watching all of them. Like,
He was here when I was watching all of them.
man, like,
Bro, I had to watch them all in like the span of a week. I'm here like,
And that was your conclusion.
I'm sitting there thinking to myself like, hey yo, why the fuck ain't nobody tell me about this? Like,
Rocky?
they top notch. Yeah, like,
Bro, like all of them man.
20 some years later, you're like, why ain't nobody tell me to watch this? Like,
Have you seen The Expendables?
What is The Expendables?
Oh, man.
That's from your generation.
Yeah, you gotta
That
peep
is
that.
the people from these movies, and a movie that's like making fun of them being old dudes, but they're also like still badass action stars.
Take your ammo. Where the hell are you?
I'm almost there. What's going on? Are those shots?
Good shit.
What?
They got a tank.
Ow! I'm gonna shake it up.
Let's roll. Come on.
And for tonight.
I'm out!
One left. Why not?
Hey, who did that?
What just happened?
Somebody got a little carried away.
It looks that way.
Where are the shooters? Don't freak out. Booker? Rumor had that you were dead.
Yeah, I heard that too. So how's life treating you?
Been better. You did all this?
I fly solo. I thought you knew that.
Yeah, I heard it, but I didn't buy it.
Well, now you do.
I heard another rumor that you were bitten by a king cobra.
Yeah, I was. But after 5 days of agonizing pain, the cobra died.
I just don't get how y'all saying that about Rocky 3, bro. I just don't get it.
I'm sorry, bro. Tim is killing me.
But yeah, Rocky 5 not bad. Like I didn't like it initially just cause like, what do you mean I can't box no more?
Oh, the head thing.
Yeah, promise me you're not gonna. But you're broke. If you don't send that nigga out there to punch a couple people face in, y'all get back up. But the end, like, it kind of blew me, cause it's like, yo, if you gonna end up fighting him, like, you could at least do it in the ring and get paid for it instead of, you know, being broke and fighting him.
Who, Tommy?
Yeah. Cause like,
Nah, this is about principle, man.
it was about principle, cause he put Paulie on the ground, so he had to.
Tommy, you're a piece of garbage, you know that? Hey, this ain't none of your business. Ain't none of my business.
Come on, Floyd.
Ain't none of my business.
Floyd, forget about it.
The man spit blood for you. Put your head in his own family, and you bring these rat bums around here. Huh? Tommy, his dignity? Rocco made you your shot. You know that? He's the real champ. You're just a goddamn joke. Now, just get out of here. Break the face. Tommy, come on. Come on. What?
Break your hand on that bum and what do you work then, huh?
Paul, are you okay? You should have left him on the street where you found him.
Get off me, man. Right on, huh? The murder. Get him out of here. Get him out of here. Move out. Get him out of here.
But it was a really good story, in my opinion, because you got to see Rocky dealing with not having his success anymore and being poor, and Tommy Gunn having everything Rocky had. So, like, it's like at the end, he was like, I was living through him. His wins were my, like, my list. Let me make sure I get my list right one more time. You feel me? Rocky 3 was number 1 for me.
Rocky 3 is number 1 for you?
Bro, that whole relationship between Creed and Rocky, and like that's the first time you ever see Rocky really dealing with, like, what if I'm not good enough? Like, what's wrong with you? I'm scared. Is that what you wanted to hear? I'm scared. And like that was real. To me.
Right on this side.
That was real.
Rocky 3 is number 1?
Yeah. After that, I got Rocky 4.
Do I have Rocky 2 as number 1?
Yeah.
Cause that's the best one.
Rocky 2 is number 3. That's number 3 for me.
Hold on. In your list of Rockies, where do you put Rocky 3?
For me, Rocky 3, I would say is kind of like at the bottom.
Yo, what?
And what about Rocky 2?
I like Rocky 2 better.
I know.
Why? So why is Rocky 3 at the bottom?
I don't know. For me, I tuned out a lot of Rocky 3.
Rocky 3 literally sets the whole scene for Rocky 4.
It does, no.
But y'all sleeping on that because the movie so trash. Like, had Rocky not winning that, Mick died. Mick got packed out in like the first 30, well not first 30, the first 50 minutes of the episode.
I swear, Bobby goes to name stuff off and puts down one finger and immediately stops. Like he did it in the video.
He been out here beefing with Saints. He been out here beefing with, I don't know what to call freezes.
I just watched that part. He be Vegeta.
I don't know his name,
Bro.
whatever they is.
He legit, like, his trainer died, and just like I was telling you, Rocky only lost to him because Mick died. Like you cannot convince me otherwise.
Okay, I know they wrote it like that, but he was gonna lose that fight no matter
Was
what.
he gonna lose to Clubber Lang? Had he
Bro,
not died?
he was losing already.
This guy's strong.
We're gonna have to pick this back up.
Don't get this one. I was like, is there loyalty to a weed man? No, not really.
Yo, hold on, cause that can go on, bro. Like you gotta have loyalty for your plug, man.
What I would say, look, he brought my phone carrier into it. I'm like, I'm not loyal to them. If I see something better, I'm gonna go with the better. Just like his sneakers. He got Nikes and whatever else in his closet. He got different fits. He didn't go to that one food store.
What?
Like I was saying.
That's different though.
No, it's
like
not.
that's not one of those like
No, it's not.
you
It's
gotta
not
be
loyalty.
loyal type things, man.
How you gotta be loyal?
Like your barber,
you gotta be loyal.
your
to
barber,
one drop.
like bro said, your barber.
That's different.
You
I
gotta
agree
be
with
loyal.
that.
That's the same thing as your phone.
Your weed man.
No.
Like your weed man is like your
No.
girlfriend, bro. Like
No.
you can only cheat
No.
on your girl
Yo,
with so many
plug.
people before you get caught, right?
No.
You
Yo,
can only
plug.
cheat on your weed man.
No, your plug is like that. Not just
Bro, the
knock
weed.
knock spot.
Listen, bro. Listen. Anybody that supplies you with the product that you need is your plug.
But it's not like I'm the only one they go to.
Right? Because that's not their fault. Like sometimes you just don't got what they need. Sometimes you just don't got what they need, and they gotta go find it in other places. Like a side chick. Your barber, yeah.
Unless you get too old and get that shaky hand, you get scared of.
Or if he go on vacation, then you gotta cheat on your barber. Bruh.
You get that lineup before you go on vacation.
Nah, that's what I'm saying, yo. You got the appointment, right?
Permanent vacation.
Ever since me and JC been like this,
He don't know about that.
ain't nobody touched my head but JC.
Pause, man, pause.
Oh
That was
my
question.
God.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So let's say you know you about to go on vacation, right? You getting the retwist before you go, or you just gonna be like?
I ain't talking about your vacation. I'm not talking about your vacation. I'm talking about the barber's vacation.
Oh, when they go?
Yeah, when they go on vacation, then you gotta cheat on your barber
Yeah,
sometimes.
when you going on like next time you get but you know I'm going on vacation on the 8th. Alright, I'll be here on the 6th.
All right, yeah. But then you pull up on the 6th, right? And you be like, yeah, bro, been calling out for like the last 3 days.
Then what you do? Bro,
Yeah.
Bro, that's why.
Then you move down one seat,
So what do you do then?
go to second chair.
Hit phone, bro.
Yo, bro, what's up, man? What's up?
Hey, how's it going, bro?
How you been?
Good to see you.
Good to see you too, man. What's been good with you? Wait. You been getting a haircut by somebody else?
Haircut by someone else? No.
Then why you got a fresh cut?
Nah, you know my hair grows out slow.
It's nice.
My hair just grows out slow, you know this.
Really? Why you got hair residue on your shirt?
That's someone else's hair.
Oh, someone else's hair, really? If it's someone else's hair, then you have no problem with me smelling your neck, right?
Nah, I'm okay with
Yeah,
that.
you did.
I don't.
We'll be back again. Like half of it.
But how strong is half?
You like?
don't think you could put down with a camera playing.
It's okay. I can cut around it.
Look, it's his camera. He know what it is.
Bro, did you see it?
So you ready? You gotta finish it within 5 minutes.
Oh, well, you get a whole 5 minutes to eat it.
It don't matter if it's 5 minutes or 10 minutes.
I mean,
how strong is it?
Oh, nah, you good with half. Like most people eat the whole thing.
See, listen, this is gonna end up like that time I talked to that dude Amari. Amari said the same thing. His sister
Stay away
was
from
like, only eat like a small portion.
Yes.
I ate the whole thing versus I was dying.
Yeah.
Drugs, kids. Don't
Yeah,
do it.
Don't do. What is drugs?
The drugs?
That's we.
The only drug I'm
What
on
is that?
now is Groove On.
Oh, we gotta start over.
See? It's still right here. It's just stretched out. See?
How come you don't? Y'all people don't pause on that? But yo, hold on. Yo, it's a whole lot of...
Nah, it's because it's stretched out. Honestly, it's because
It is stretched though. It's only about as long as like
literally
a quarter of that tail right there
this much.
added to what the big part is.
Right there, a quarter of that tail added to the bro. I'm thinking this must be.
I did think that was a piece though.
Yeah, the whole like,
Yeah, man. No, to be honest, you were supposed to do it like 9-10 months ago.
Yeah, it's true.
Like I got a whole video set that I'm gonna.
Like, what if this is the domino that falls? I start fucking crack. Like,
she wanted to slow crack. Don't do drugs, kids. Unless that drug is connect on.
like, true story. I didn't think I was gonna care for this job that much after the first day. Then Z showed up. I didn't think I was gonna care for him either, man. Bro showed up over here gonna text me talking about some. Yo, you're missing the whole like gist. I said from the beginning. I said literally from the beginning when I first started this job. That's what I said. Anyway,
it's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
I have with him.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side. And now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend. And I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began.
You know we started.
Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Let me tell you.
When I see you